Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. And you read that title, you read that thumbnail. It's inventory. I'm unboxing my inventory, my packages I got from, I waited to get here for a couple weeks now. I'm still waiting for some more packages to come in. So welcome back. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any videos I post, period. And make sure you follow all of my social media because you don't know where I'm going. You don't know where I'm going. Please follow my business page, my new Lash business page on Instagram. Mimi Glam Beauty, because that's what the business started. Excuse my hair. That's why I started my business back in July. So yeah, and shop my store. My link is down in the description box. Please do so before I run low on lashes. So yeah, make sure you follow my subscribe to my video channel because I did do a video recently getting my daughter ready for school. That's a vlog, so go check that out. It's gonna be up here for y'all to check out. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Today I'm opening packages. Disclaimer, I already opened my package because I like to check my packages just to be on the safe side, because I can't have no half-done stuff come to me. So I pay for it. I want my money worth my money. Okay, so the first thing I just got on Saturday, I think Saturday, I got this package. It came from China. It came here really fast. So all I got was some lip gloss sample sizes, the simple sizes. And I got this because when you purchase a lash style from me, I like to throw in a free lip gloss sample for to give a try, because I am expanding my beauty line. I plan on selling lip gloss as well and lashes. I don't know what's the next step after that, but I'm trying to get these two up, and I got my lashes up and running. So next thing is lip gloss. So I'm still waiting for them package too, and some other stuff. So these are the sample size lip gloss too. When you purchase a lash style for me, a 3D mink lash for me, you get a sample size lip gloss. So make sure you shop my store, because the lashes are limited right now because people in my community has been banned. So I suggest you jump on it right now. Y'all feel me? The next thing I got from Amazon, I got this last week, and I think this is my flavoring oil. Yes, it's my flavoring oil. And you can get it off Amazon. They sell it in the store as well, so don't be hectic. But it came like this. Ooh. Yeah, it came like this. And the flavors I got was cotton candy. Ooh, cotton candy. I got, and there's a little sample size bottle. You can purchase a large size, but I got the little sample size. This is pineapple. I got coconut. I got strawberry kiwi. And I smell all of these they smell amazing. When I say they smell amazing, girl. And the last one I got is tropical punch. And this tropical punch smells so fruity. So that is that. So moving on to the next package. The next package I got is this big old packet. And all they sent was a syringe a syringe. I opened one. They came separate, so they sent one syringe in that big old package. So I opened one of these. It's a syringe. And this is the 60 milliliter. Yeah, this is 60 milliliter. A syringe. Both syringes fit at 60 milliliters. And that is that. And the last thing I got was, okay, from TKB. And this has already been opened, as you can see. And I purchased the Versagel. The Versagel for TKB. And I also purchased some mica pigments. So I'm gonna just show y'all these pigments because this video is gonna be under 10 minutes. I try to make it 10 so to make it qualify, but it's gonna be under 10 minutes. So the colors I got is, I'm just showing you the colors. I'm not telling you the names and stuff like that. So just the color I have. And it's like a pinkish. It's pinkish. Yeah, a pink. And next color I have is the purple pink something. It's something, I don't know what color I'm gonna start with when I'm making the samples, but it's gonna be amazing. And the next color I got is this hot pink. This hot pink. I know this hot pink is pretty. It's pretty. And these are all sample sizes, so I didn't get the full size. I just want to see how the samples will work through my sample lip glosses. And next thing I know, I'm going to be buying the full size. And the last one I got is this color. Like a fuchsia color. So these are all from TKB. And it's all around on YouTube. A lot of people have started their lip gloss business and selling lip gloss around on YouTube. So other people just expanding their business. Some people starting their business like me. I just don't start mine. But lately I haven't gotten any orders. I'm just gonna be honest and stuff like that. But it takes time to get your first order out there. And this is me trying to get my business off the ground by explaining to you, because I know some subscribers love lashes. They look like beautified like me, like I am today. So just go on my website, shop my store, Mimi Glamorous Beauty. I have not bought my domain, of course, but I will be bought by my domain. If my purchases, anybody don't purchase anything, I might pause my store, because until I get my domain, it's no such thing. I wanna keep my shop open and nobody purchasing and paying $30 every month. So I'm with Shopify. I chose Shopify to go with them because they really easy to work with instead of Wix. I did do a Wix, but Wix was kind of complicated to me, and it's a lot of stuff you gotta do. So I just went the simple right. Just go Shopify. But yeah, this is all my stuff in my unboxing, my inventory, and unpacking, or whatever you want to call it. This is all I have. Yeah. And then I forgot to mention this in my last video. The key thing to your business, you always need a notebook pad to keep up track of your inventory, what you want to do, how you want to do it. But I got this from my local dollar store, and it says Girl Boss. I love it. And this is where I keep all my stuff, my inventory and stuff like that. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. As you already know, whenever my other packages come in, I do another video. And make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel, Glamorous Mimi TV, and follow all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to shop my store and follow my Instagram page, Mimi Glam Beauty, and purchase some lashes from me. Yeah. So, and I see y'all Glamour Squad in the next video. Bye. Bye.